My name is Ron Drescher. I'm an attorney practicing bankruptcy and creditors' rights in Maryland, Delaware, Pennsylvania, and Virginia. And today I want to answer the question, should I use my debit card right before I file bankruptcy to pay for necessary expenses? Well, that's an interesting question. It's a little bit unsettled, but it's getting more settled all the time. And I would say the better answer is yes, you can do that. Because under federal electronic payment laws, the payment on a debit card is considered an immediate cash transaction that the creditor can rely upon, even though the transaction may not be settled until a day or two after you actually swipe the card. Under federal law, it's the swiping of the card that constitutes a transfer, so that the vendors and merchants are protected in the event that something goes wrong with the debit card later on. This is important because under federal bankruptcy law, a transfer typically occurs when funds leave the debtor's bank account. If that happens post-bankruptcy, the trustee can grab that money because it was property of the bankruptcy estate as of the time you filed the case. So that's why writing a check is a little different, because writing a check, the transfer doesn't occur till the check clears the bank. But a debit card is different. It's an electronic transfer. It's protected by a different federal statute, and you should be safe if you use a debit card immediately before bankruptcy. My name is Ron Drescher. I'm an attorney practicing bankruptcy and creditors' rights. If you have a question about whether you can use a debit card right before bankruptcy, please pick up the phone and call me. I would love to hear from you.